mate.
Check it out. Fucking snail on it. Right guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Luke and it's LBTV, and today I thought I'd show you guys a video from which we filmed at Global Motors. If those of you are new to the channel or if you don't know who we are yet, Global Motors is where I work. We sell modified and performance cars. As you can tell, I've got the working gear on right now. I just want to show you guys this video because it's very unique and it's an iconic car, and I want to kind of bring my subscribers over to Global as well and merge them all together, because I'm going to be filming there all the time now and editing the videos, so it's going to be more content on the Global page. But don't worry, I'm not going away from LBTV. It's just I want to bring you guys as much content as possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy this crazy factory manual Mazda RX-7 single turbo. Absolutely insane, guys. So sit back, enjoy it. It's a mad car. So Connor just got back last night from Edinburgh. Mad, wasn't it?
Yeah, mate. Fucking long trip.
Long trip. So, him and Chris went to Edinburgh to pick up this mad car. I don't even really know what it is yet, apart from the fact that, what is it? It's a manual single turbo.
Manual from standard.
Yeah.
Single turbo, and was once imported.
It's bad boy though, isn't it?
Yeah, she's naughty.
She's naughty. So we're just gonna wait for Chris to turn up and see the car and show you lads. Do a few cinematics, go for a drive and a rip, and see what it is. I'm pretty excited. It's got to be Jap though, isn't it? Definitely Jap. Yeah, just literally checked on the maps and apparently he's just literally here around the corner, so he's gonna be coming in any minute. He says he was like over there by Embankment, but I don't know. I want to know where he is. Oh mate, I'm keen as hell to see this. Buzzing. Oh, literally just had to go put another battery in the camera because it was about to die, but apparently he's here. What's up? Oh mate, RX-7. Look at that! Hell!
Cool.
Oh mate, look at the state of that then.
It's naughty, isn't it?
Cooking a wang on it. Fucking hell. Size of it. Yeah, to the boy.
It's naughty, isn't it?
So what was it? Manual single turbo.
Mate, you wanna?
Go on then, you're gonna fire her up?
No, I wanna show you the turbo first.
A turbo? Big boy.
I've never seen a turbo this big. Nah, no idea.
Let's have a look then. Shit it out. Fucking snail on it. Mate, that's massive. How much power is it running?
About 450.
Mate, that turbo's got to be at least like a 600-700 horsepower turbo, isn't it?
Don't know, mate, but she's definitely up there.
She's definitely up there. Hell, that makes me feel like it's someone out of Fast and Furious right now.
Mate, he messaged me again last night, right?
Yeah.
But these wheels are like 70%.
What, they're like Volt Greys or something?
No, they're Nagasaki or something wheels.
Oh, like genuine, like from imported from
mate,
Japan.
I don't really understand, but he said they're super lightweight wheels.
Mate, look at the Zorgs. Just fat as hell on it. Mate.
No.
Massive.
No, I don't think you quite understand, mate.
What, the pipe?
Have a look at this. This is a downpipe, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Can state of that.
Oh, shit. Mate, was that 4 inch? Straight through down the pipe. God, what's she like on a cold start? Is it loud?
I don't know, it's alright. The thing is because these had a common issue of they're two oil injectors onto the rotors. Yeah. And basically the lines go really brittle and it can cause engine failure. So basically what this guy's done, he's done oil delete, mate.
Oil delete?
Yeah, so you have to run it with 2-stroke oil.
What the fuck?
Honestly.
What, really?
You run it with 2-stroke oil in the fuel.
Look down the ped shop and pick up some
yeah, literally. Literally. Mate, he's hell of a nice bloke. He filled it up for me.
Oh, legend.
Everything. I've got a fucking ton of spare parts at the back.
Lovely, mate. Fire up then.
The thing is...
Oh, mate, look at that thing's shooting up. Whoa.
JDM as fuck.
JDM's fuck, mate. She a lot then. Oh yeah, proper rotary, mate. Listen to her fire up. I bet she's loud when she revs out, won't she?
You've never had anything like it.
Oh fuck. Mate, look at this. Proper old school.
Mate, look at the mileage. That's in kilometres.
That's 60,000 kilometres.
That's like
how much you pay for this?
Mate, that's like 40,000 miles.
Fucking mate, this has got to be like a 20k car, isn't it?
It's up there.
It's up there, mate, for the mileage. Ben.
Mate, and the biggest thing about this car, right?
It's stock from manual from stock.
It's a factory manual.
What?
No auto box, no fucking conversion. It's a factory manual.
Mate, that's mad.
That's why I went to Edinburgh, mate.
That is no, yeah. What time did you leave? You found out about it at what time, and then you left at when?
I saw it at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Me and Connor on the road at 11. I booked out.
Connor's like, yeah, boy.
I booked a hotel, like, literally.
No, he said you was in there for about 2 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
In the hotel, 3 hours, straight up, bought it off him. Had a right nightmare getting on the trailer because it's got fucking 4-inch downpipe. Doesn't fit.
Mate, that is fucked. Hey, that wing is something else. Hey, we could all have dinner on this fucking wing, lads. Honestly, we're gonna get a table and just
lovely, isn't it?
seat and just literally.
Mate, how nice is this car though?
Yeah, it's nice.
This is one of the bucket lists. Another tick.
Another tick gone. Is it?
Ready, Luke?
Yeah, go on.
Hey!
Mate, that's sick. Go on, Ed. Hear it. Whoa! You know, she pops in flames or not? Mate. That was naughty. That sounds sweet. I say odds on he won't do a Bernie, innit?
He probably will.
Hey, odds on he does a Bernie. You're not doing one?
A few moments later.
Oh mate, that's sick. They're a proper one, is he? Alright, let me get from behind if you can do another one. Let me do it from behind. Go on, Dad. Oh mate. Alright boys.
Hell.
See what she's like.
She's noisy girl.
Mate, it's gonna be bad, isn't it? Mad.
She's noisy.
Oh, she is rocking, isn't she?
Yeah, she's solid.
She is real solid. Hey, those noises.
Oh mate, you wait.
She rip, I bet she fucking
She
pulled
fucking rips.
Mate, what the? Mate, that sounds mental. What the? Mate, I have not heard nothing like that.
Have you heard anything like that?
Fucking hell. Mate, listen to the state of it. Whoa! Give her a rip.
That's fucking mental.
Mate, that is absolute madness. Woohoo! Jesus! Mate, that is mad. That is mad.
Have you ever heard anything like it?
What do you like? What is it compared to the Nissan Skyline you had?
Oh, it's not as fast.
It's not as fast, but like
No,
sound-wise,
no.
I think
Noise,
the noise. Wow. Mate, that is literally unbelievable. Mate, that is so sick. That is naughty. What an animal this is. Mate, that fucking noise. Blood, that noise.
Mate, honestly, the noise.
The noise is absolutely incredible. Mate, that noise, you literally, that is up there.
Mate,
That is up there.
have you heard
That is,
anything like it?
mate, pure JDM filth this is.
JDM.
Jesus Christ. Mate, look at a big wang sticking out the back as well. So sick.
Is that
Straight over the speed bump, is it?
Oh, okay, I forgot about these actually.
That's not good news. Hey, you go through the centre of Plymouth like this. Oh, it's because of the back down pipe. There's a pipe in that. Oh, she is low. Mate, everyone looks at it. Is that an RX-7, bro? Fuck a Supra.
Is that a Supra? No, bro.
Just look at the state of this in here. Bad boy, and obviously got. So does this measure like your oil temps and everything?
Yeah, it's just like knock sensor, boost, air temperature, engine revs, ignition degrees.
Lovely.
Balance, ignition duty.
It's a good job you got that now, really, because you can literally keep an eye on everything.
Yeah, because these like to get hot.
I like to get real hot. The headlights on this thing are so damn cool. The thing is, you got one little blip in this, and it's hit boost, and that.
What's 30 mile an hour in kilometres? I don't know.
Oh, is that all in kilometres, is it?
That's the
kilometres an hour.
all the speed of.
She's a rare part.
It's very cool, isn't she? Have you heard anything
Hey, even
like
that noise, it's like just before boost, and you let it off. Mate, it's the fucking hell of a. Mate, fuck VTEC or anything like that.
Fuck VTEC, mate.
This is like
oh, man.
Holy, mate, this is like
not good
one of the
fuel,
craziest cars I've ever been. How much have you rinsed already? That much?
Quarter of a tank.
They're gonna quarter of a tank, then like what, 10 miles? 10 miles. What the fuck? Mate, I don't know about you, but that is bad. Oh, I keep thinking where the door handles are, because they're right here like this. How weird's that? That's so cool. Oh, mate, that's low getting out like that, isn't it? Low, that is bad boy. Holy moly. So yeah, there you go guys. What do you think of that absolutely incredible car? It's the first time I've been in an RX-7 and it was phenomenal. So if you're into seeing these types of cars or anything crazy, we're all a bunch of mad car enthusiasts down at Global. We've got me, Chris and Connor down there now, and we're absolutely having a sick time always. So go check out the page guys. Honestly, we want to get to 1,000 subs as quick as possible and we just want to keep climbing from there. We kind of, you know, want to become that like sort of Top Gear vibe, I guess, but we want to be doing it in a different way with our own vibe. Me and Chris are mental and Connor's literally on board with us all the time and we're having a sick time. So if you guys don't mind doing that, head over to the Global Motors page, YouTube page, hit the subscribe button and just hit the like button on all the videos, just get involved. It's a bit more content for you guys to watch, and plus you're still going to be seeing me on there at the same time having a blast around some absolutely incredible cars, because we're going to be doing reviews of all the cars we have in stock there as well. So it's an absolute joy to be even working out, having a great time with all these vehicles. But yeah guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed the absolute madness that goes on down at Global, then slap the like button as always, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that bell button to be notified every single time I upload. So don't worry guys, I've still got Clio content and that coming. I've got the £550,000 series coming, we've got the Audi stuff coming, so there's plenty more stuff coming down the LBTV route, but we've also got the Global Motors channel as well guys. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye for now.